Welcome back to AI Flood, my friends, the channel where we don't just dip our toes into the world of artificial intelligence, we cannonball right in. Today, we're riding a colossal tech tsunami that crashed onto the scene yesterday. OpenAI just unveiled a jaw-dropping new image generation model, fully baked into GPT 4.0 and Sora. Picture this. You toss a few words into the mix, and poof, you've got posters that could hang in a gallery, videos that feel like they're straight out of Pixar, all without ever picking up a pencil or firing up fancy software. This isn't some tiny ripple in the AI pond. It's a full-on flood of creative power washing over us. Here's what we're unpacking in this deep dive. What exactly is this new model? And why is it sending shockwaves through the tech world? How does it work under the hood with real-world examples that'll make you want to try it right now? And the big one, could this be the future of how we create everything? From memes to movies? So grab your life raft, buckle up, and let's plunge into this AI ocean together. It's gonna be a wild ride. All right, let's pop the hood and see what makes this engine roar. OpenAI's playing coy with the nitty-gritty details. They're not spilling the exact recipe for this AI sauce just yet. But we can piece together the basics. This model's been trained on a mind-boggling ocean of data. Picture this: billions of images scraped from the wild corners of the internet, paired with captions, articles, tweets, you name it. It's like sending an AI art student to a library with every painting, photo, and doodle ever made, then teaching it to connect the dots between words and visuals. GPT 4.0 takes your text prompt and spins it into a still image, while Sora grabs that same idea and animates it into motion. It's a tag team of creativity, and it's ridiculously smooth. So how does it feel in practice? Let's walk through some real-world examples, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Say you're a small business owner. Maybe you run a cozy coffee shop down the street. You fire up GPT 4.0 and type, "Create a poster for my shop." Chalkboard background, white cursive text that says, "Fresh brews daily," and a steaming latte in the corner with a little heart in the foam. Hit enter, and in under a minute, seriously, I timed it, you've got a poster that looks like it came from a graphic designer's portfolio. The chalk texture's gritty but clean. The text flows like it was hand-drawn by a pro, and that latte, you can almost smell the espresso wafting off the screen. Compared to DALL-E 3, which might have smudged the text or forgotten the steam, this is next-level precision. Now, let's switch gears to Sora. Imagine you're a YouTuber like me hunting for a standout intro. You prompt, a playful cat staring at neon butterflies, adorable and cheerful with futuristic neon cityscape behind, illuminated by electric blue and magenta neo. The motion's fluid. The details are crisp. It's not some choppy AI experiment. It's a legit mini-movie. I showed this to a friend, and he thought I'd hired an animator. But here's where it gets wild. Adaptability. GPT 4.0 doesn't just spit out one-and-done images. It listens. Tell it, add a wizard hat to the cat, and it plops one on, adjusts the shadows, tilts it just right. No awkward cut and paste vibes. It's like having a creative assistant who gets you. No back and forth, no fuss. Is it flawless? Not quite. Every flood has a few puddles. Long images might get cropped weirdly. I tried a panoramic beach scene, and the horizon got snipped like a bad haircut. Tiny text, think fine print on a label, can blur if you zoom in too close. OpenAI's probably got limits in place to keep the servers from melting. But these are baby steps in a giant leap. Given their track record, DALL-E went from wonky to wow in a year. These hiccups will get swept away soon. The bottom line? This tech's already a powerhouse, and it's only warming up. Now, let's zoom out and gaze into the crystal ball. Could this be the future of content creation? Spoiler alert, it's not just possible. It's already splashing onto the shore. Let's break it down by who this helps and how it's rewriting the rules. First up, the pros. Graphic designers can use GPT 4.0 to mock up logos or posters in seconds instead of hours. Imagine pitching a client 5 concepts before lunch instead of 1 by Friday. Teachers can craft custom visuals for lessons. Think a biology class with an AI-drawn cell splitting in real time, or a history lecture with Roman gladiators duking it out. Game developers can prototype characters, animate cutscenes, or even build whole worlds without a full art crew. But it's not just for the skilled, it's for the rest of us, too. Picture a mom making a birthday invite with a cartoon unicorn her kid loves, or a TikToker churning out quirky clips to go viral. OpenAI's built this for real-world use, not just playtime. One killer feature? Text and images. Need a storefront sign that says open 24/7? A menu with spicy ramen, $9.99? An infographic breaking down stats? GPT-40 nails it. The text is readable, styled to match, not some garbled AI scribble. Sora's no slouch either. It's storytelling in motion, perfect for ads, intros, or short films. And it's versatile. Photorealistic 1 minute, cartoonish the next, all based on what you ask. And that's the full scoop. Flood fam, OpenAI's new model is a creative deluge, and we're just starting to surf its crest. From posters that pop to videos that mesmerize, GPT-40 and Sora are rewriting the playbook for what's possible. So, what's your take? Will you ride this wave for your next project? A business ad, a school assignment, a crazy meme? Drop your wildest prompt ideas in the comments. I might even test a few and shout you out in a follow-up. If this deep dive got your gears turning, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next AI swell. This is AI Flood, signing off. Keep swimming in the tech tide, and I'll catch you in the next one. And that's the full scoop. Flood fam, OpenAI's new model is a creative deluge, and we're just starting to surf its crest. From posters that pop to videos that mesmerize, GPT-40 and Sora are rewriting the playbook for what's possible. So, what's your take? Will you ride this wave for your next project? A business ad, a school assignment, a crazy meme? Drop your wildest prompt ideas in the comments. I might even test a few and shout you out in a follow-up. If this deep dive got your gears turning, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next AI swell. This is AI Flood, signing off. Keep swimming in the tech tide, and I'll catch you in the next one.